Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, I am super excited because I get to sit down and do my once a month unboxing video. Like, my absolute favorite type of video to watch on YouTube are either empties or unboxing videos, because I kind of like to see people's first impressions and reactions, and I just think it's super relaxing. Also, hopefully by going through these once a month, you'll get a little bit of a sneak peek into things that might be coming on the channel in the month, some reviews that we might be able to look forward to, because genuinely, whilst I have opened all these boxes already, because you don't want to see me machete my way through, severing an artery and actually getting into these boxes, because I cannot multitask. I have opened all these boxes, but there's still going to be some surprises in here and things that I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys. Leave a comment below if you like this style of video, or if any of the products that you see pique your interest or you want to know more information on. I've left links to all the products mentioned in the description box below, so check those out if you want any more details, and let's just get into it. Let's have a chill, relaxing, calming unboxing and opening video. First of all, I realised, because I can look at myself in the monitor here, I'm dressed like I've escaped from Alcatraz. I don't know why I chose to put this... Oh, it's had long sleeves on, I'm quite cold, that's why. So excuse that, we're just going to get straight into it. With my favourite brand of all time, says it on the box. This is my third order from Decium on their sales. They've got a sale for 23% off going all the way through November. I thought I bought everything I wanted to in the first round of me buying. Then I realised some things were out of stock, so I ordered again. And then I thought, ooh, Christmas presents and extra bits. So this is like my third order. Quite a small box, which, this is quite reserved for me. But I put on order, the sanskrit saponins cleanser. Love that. Someone described that cleanser the other day in the comments as love at first wash. Couldn't agree more. Literally, first time it hit my skin, I was like, oh, smells divine, makes me feel great, love that. So I popped one of those on order. There's a couple here of the subq Skin by Hylamide. I love this product, but so many people in the comments are like, okay, you've convinced me to try it. I think, oh, is it all going to go out of stock? So I put a couple on order because I don't want to be without that. The argireline solution, because, holy grail. And I got some lactic acid, and I got Survival Zero. This has been out of stock for so long. But for some reason, on the UK website, it burst back on for 15 minutes, and I managed to get my hands on one of them. So I got Survival Zero, but it's now out of stock again, which is so annoying. But hopefully that kind of means there's going to be a restock coming. So that's first from Decium. Now, moving on to, this is quite exciting. So this is a company which reached out to me. It's an American company, and they reached out probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago and said, could we send you some of our lip balm products? I was like, yeah, sure. I'm not a huge fan of lip balm, so I didn't want to be like, yes, absolutely, I'm sure I'll love it. But send me it and I can try it. This, though, totally different. So this is from a company called Dean & Firth, which do lip balms for guys, though I actually think the benefit is for the guys and the guy's partner, because actually the scent is divine. So this came in a really cute box. I have actually tried this. This isn't a first impressions, because I did have a smell of this because I can never resist. Cute little pouch, perfect for a Christmas gift. But I tried this, and what they say is they use a blend of oils which is supposed to smell like a cologne. So instead of smelling that minty, mouthwashy, awful lip balm that you usually get, this is supposed to smell like cologne. And it does. It kind of smells like a really bougie, luxury, Hugo Boss style men's cologne. Absolutely gorgeous. So I don't wear lip balm day in, day out, because I'm just not a huge fan of that sort of tackiness on my lips. But with this, I'm actually probably just going to use it as a scent. Sort of a little on the wrist, smells divine. But on the lips, honestly, the most kissable scent ever. I absolutely love the smell of this, and I can't stop sniffing it. So they do a couple of other ones which just said they're going to send me, and I cannot wait to try them, because this honestly is the nicest smelling lip balm I have ever tried in my life. So I was really excited to get that. I am going to give it a proper go on the lip, which is what it's designed for. But also I think as a little bit of a scent balm could be absolutely stellar, and I love the little packaging. Perfect kind of stocking filler gift, Christmas gift, love that. This though. So, I am a sucker for packaging. I like things to look, I try to be environmentally conscious and minimise the amount of packaging, and everything gets recycled, but I am then also a total hypocrite and a huge fan of extra packaging and amazing stuff. This came in the mail. And I was like, yes, yes, which I will be reusing because I'm actually going to reuse it to package like a Christmas gift or something. So this came from the brand, oh, and they've left me a note of how to pronounce this. So this came from the creators of the antioxidant, which is called pycnogenol. I call phyconogenol, I always call it, but it's not. It's pycnogenol, so I've actually said it right for a change. This is from like the creators of that, which appears in the Survival Zero by NIOD. It's in, they do a standalone version of it from The Ordinary, which I'll link below. But this, love. So in here, and I'm a total science geek, they sent me some great like bumf on how the product works to read upon. So whilst that might not be everyone's idea of bedtime reading, I am going to sit down and check through that because I love reading up on how things work. So I'll be all on that. But what's super exciting is they've sent me some products that include the pycnogenol. We have here this is the Ren Clear Calm Non-Drying Spot Treatment. I've tried this before and I love it. I like a treatment which is going to reduce the size of a zit but not dry it out, because if you dry something out, the heal time is just made worse. It also increases risk of you being left with scarring and pigmentation. Never dry a zit, hydrate it, but also use things to treat it. And an antioxidant is a great option, so I'm really excited about that. And they've also tried some supplements. So I'm not totally sold on supplements for the skin because I think things applied topically just work a bit quicker and maybe a bit more effectively. But I do have a dietitian who's a friend of mine, which I'm going to speak to about these and try them out because I am all in favour of trying things which will increase the antioxidants in our body. I'm a huge, huge advocate of antioxidants. And the packaging on this one is gorgeous. What is this? I don't even know what brand this is. I'll leave a link to them below anyway. Oh, this is the Health Span. I just love the packaging on this. I've tried this brand for other supplements and I really like that. So yes, and I'm going to repurpose this as like a somewhere to keep a gift for someone at Christmas, so it will get reused, which I love. Now, moving on to some Korean style skincare. I mentioned in my Korean haul video was it this month? It was this month. I'll leave a link to it up there. That I fell in love with this. This is the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Sun Essence gift set. That's a mouthful. This isn't the one that I was actually delivered. The other ones are in a box down there. I ordered 4 because I thought they'll make perfect Christmas gifts. Because in this, you get the Keep Cool Sun Essence, which just looks gorgeous. You also get the calming and refreshing toner. I really like the toner, and this, I'll show you. This spreads like an absolute dream and is like a gorgeous, gorgeous sun cream. It disappears without a trace, no white cast. Smells fresh, but it's unscented, and I just love that. It's like one of those amazing Korean sunscreens that just disappears without a trace. So I have put 4 more on order, which are lurking down there somewhere, because I thought they'd make really nice little Christmas gifts. And so I'll leave a link to them if you want to, treat anyone for Christmas below. But I just thought, look at that. It's so cute. I think I mentioned this in my Korean skincare video about how cute it looks. But the reason I mention it again is because I thought, actually bite the bullet and I will order some. So they're going out as Christmas gifts, which I love. Now let's, move on to a brand which you might have. I mentioned this on the channel before. I ordered these from a brand called Botanical Lab. So here in the UK, you can get these in Tesco, which actually I think, and this only applies to UK people, but if you check it out now, because I think they have like a club card, which is like this supermarket's discount card. They have like an offer at the moment where you get it half price, I think. So don't count me on that, but I think instead of being £8, it's like £4. So I got the pumpkin papaya enzyme daily exfoliator. I got the Indian clay non-foaming cleanser, and I got another one. I have tried this one before actually, the blemish control clay mask with turmeric. So the reason I chose these is this looks gorgeous. It is a blend of let's have a look, glycolic acid, lactic acid. It's got enzymes in there, and it's also got malic acid and salicylic acid. So it's like a super gorgeous blend of acids, which super gentle, daily use, but I just thought was quite intriguing. I don't think I've seen this particular combination in a product before. It's also got aloe vera in, which is like my hardcore go-to favourite product. definitely going to try that one out. This one is the Indian Clay Non-Foaming Cleanser. I like clays and I'm intrigued by them because I'm super oily. So I like the idea of it like pulling out all the dirt, the debris and the excess oils. But I've never found one I actually like and doesn't sting my skin when it's in a cleanser form. So I thought I'd try this one out. I'm going to do a whole review. I've got a couple of other items on my way from this brand. So I'm going to do a whole review. They're cruelty free. You can definitely get them here in Europe. I think you can order them online in the States. But wait for my review. I'm going to give you the full lowdown on these and I can't wait to try them out. We then move on to a brand which I have mentioned on the channel before, but I've just ordered some more of their Sungel. So this is the Skinnies A Little Goes a Long Way Sungel. So I did a whole video on this, which I'll leave a link to up there. And the reason I ordered some more is I used that when I went abroad. I actually managed to get a glimpse of sun this season. We went to Gibraltar to see some family in August, I think it was. And I used 2 tubes of these. A little does go a long way, but when it's that warm, I apply all the time. Loved it. This, I ordered another one of this one because someone asked me a couple of weeks ago what my go-to lip balm with SPF would be. And I kind of said, I don't really like SPF lip balms because they always come in an SPF 15. Why? Why would you use an SPF 30 on your face and then switch to a 15 for your lip? It kind of doesn't make sense. So I was like, there's none that I really want to recommend. I think La Roche-Posay is the closest to one that I would actually recommend, but not cruelty-free. So I thought, well, do you know what might actually work? Skinnies. So I've got this is like a balm consistency, and so I love the idea of using this as like a lip balm with some added, yeah, and it works with some added, you get the SPF 30, but it's got shea butter in, so it's like super hydrating, and it's just great on the lips. I don't like anything, that just feels really good actually. I don't like anything on the lips that has eucalyptus in there or essential oils or menthols too much because I find it can be quite drying. I want hydrating. So shea butter is amazing, and you get an SPF 30 in here as well. So yeah, first impressions, that kind of works. I'm going to give it a go and see if it is, because it is quite expensive compared to like a lip balm. I get that, but I'm guessing this will last you literally all year and give you some great protection. So I'm all in favour of that. Now we're coming into the home straight. I have, oh, wait there. I'll leave a box of this. Is a box I can show, oh, there's the address. I can show you this box. In here sits a huge collection of Korean skincare. I can't actually show you what they are because it's been given to me by Stylevana. I love Stylevana. They're a great online thing. But they said, how about doing a full like megaton of Korean skincare in December? You know, just, you know, it's the holiday season. Let's get into it. I said, yes, okay. Well, they have sent me 26 different Korean skincare products, and I cannot wait to share these with you. I also got from Purito, which is one of my favourite brands of all time. They've also sent me their new launch. So they're bringing out a new launch on the 12th of December, but we're not allowed to talk about it till December. It's embargoed. So coming up on the 1st of December, I have a full set of Korean skincare, which is amazing, and I can see some brands that I'm going to absolutely love. I've ordered 2, so one was gifted, and I ordered the exact same products because what I want to do is try one out for you guys, and then I'm going to do a giveaway with the others. So there's going to be a huge, massive international Korean giveaway for that, and I'm going to add the Purito products in there as well because I want, you know, I'd love for you guys to see the Purito as well. So there you go. That's that to look forward to, and I can't wait for that. Finally, we've got some products from a brand I love. Well, 2. So first of all, this is the Evolve Organic Beauty. Now, you know I love their cleansing melt. It just is heavily to smell. It removes the dirt, the debris, the makeup. Absolutely gorgeous. I also really like this. Now, this is super bougie. It's super extra, and do you need to buy it? No. But I ordered like 5 of them because we're now in lockdown here in the UK. So it's all about, you know, keeping away from people, sanitizing, keeping our hands clean. This is the Keep Calm and Spray On hand sanitizer. Yes, it's bougie. Yes, you can get cheaper. But I ordered 5 because this is the first one I've ever tried where you can actually use it and it doesn't dry your skin out. I love the spray on here because it doesn't come out like, you know, some of them go out everywhere. It's super great. You can carry it around in your bag and it smells of bergamot and just citrus and loveliness. Because you're putting it in your hands, I'd never say put bergamot on the face because I think it can be a little bit sensitizing and triggering, but on the hands, absolutely fine. This somehow leaves your hands more hydrated for using it, even though it has the World Health Organization recommended 70% alcohol to really, you know, kill all those nasties straight off. I love this, and I ordered like 5 of them because I think we're going to be in this for the long haul, so let's stock up and make sure that we can keep our hands protected and ourselves and everyone else protected. So I fully recommend this. If you're looking for a bit of bougie luxury in your hand sanitizer, which we just check, if you could think of like last year that, you know, we would be talking about hand sanitizer as a luxury, like we think the world's gone mad. It kind of has gone mad in 2020, I guess, but this is a really good option. Now, finally, I have coming onto a brand which I have fangirled hard over, and that's Geek and Gorgeous. I ordered maybe 7 of their sets. So if you go onto their website, they do like gift sets where you can, I think it's got 3, it's got an exfoliator and 2 of their serum products, and they've got about 3 or 4 to choose from. I ordered a couple of their sets because the price is so good. Like, you get 20% off if you bought all the products individually, and they make great Christmas gifts. This one is one of their sets. I'll leave a link to it below because I can't remember the name of it. It contains their Calm Down exfoliant, which is the PHA plus BHA exfoliant. Gorgeous for sensitive skin. They've got the A-Pad, which is a really great azelaic acid for sensitive skin, and they've got the, oh no, this one. This is the Liquid Hydration, Panthenol and Natural Moisturising Factors Toner. This, for a sensitive skinned person in your life, is like the dream set because you can exfoliate super gently with this. Once it's done its business, you can neutralise it and hydrate the skin in one with this liquid protectant and hydrator. And then you can put your azelaic acid on to calm any redness, get rid of any residual sensitivity, and just live your best life. I love this set, and it's like, I think I paid... for these gifts, I think it was like £26, so super affordable for like a nice gift. The only thing I was a little bit disappointed with, and I don't think it's an issue, I'm going to make it work, is when they come, you get basically you get 2 boxes and a loose product in here, and they come like this, wrapped in like bubble wrap. I kind of thought they might come in a box, which is similar to, if you can see on the bottom shelf down there, the balancing set from The Ordinary. I think it would come in like a little box, so it's easier to gift for Christmas, but do you know what? We're saving packaging, and all I'll do is I'll find some really nice environmentally friendly packaging to put a little ribbon on it, and you've got a perfect Christmas gift. So I recommend, if you are thinking about Geek and Gorgeous, actually take a look, even if it's just for yourself, not a gift. Check out the sets that they do because they're such good value. So I've got like 6 lurking down there. There you are, guys. You have a rundown of all things new in my skincare world. I actually will have a bumper unboxing for next. I'll probably do it at the start of December. Actually, I've got a bumper unboxing because on the way I've got some, we talked about silk pillows on the channel the other day. I ordered some new ones to try them out because you guys said no, you've misjudged them, keep trying them. So I've ordered some new ones, but I've also tried like a memory foam like cushion pillow that's supposed to be anti-aging as well, so that's coming. We have some cleansing devices on their way, which I cannot wait, and 3 new brands that I'm super excited to try. So there you go, this is a taste of some of the stuff that's come up, but we also have another amazing unboxing. When all that stuff arrives, I will jump on and I'll film it for you. Guys, wherever you are in the world, I hope you enjoy this style of video. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.